So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal thoughts and opinions about IDM coin. This is on the Rabbit BNB. This is PancakeSwap, I believe. I could not find a better chart. But before I get into the sauce, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and financial advice. Now let's get into the video that you actually want to watch. IDM. IDM coin is sitting at zero point, like a lot of zeros, 18 something. Like you can see the price action or the price right here. I'm not going to discuss a lot because there's just a lot of to talk about. I can go to the weekly chart, for example, and see that we broke lower right here. We broke lower, and can you believe it? We broke lower again. So let's go daily chart. I can definitely see that the price, well, for example, the daily came even from here, but it doesn't matter because the weekly is still coming from there. So I'll definitely have two scenarios, either bearish like this or a little bit bullish and then bearish. But overall, I am bearish about on IDM. Although, for example, we can see that on the daily chart, it went up around 14.70 on Friday. I'm definitely still bearish.